Hi guys! I hope you guys are doing great. Oh yes, by the way, hi, I'm Shakay. If you are new here, welcome and I hope you will consider subscribing. So, yes guys, it is Sunday, but today ain't no normal Sunday. Today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And yes, I'm holding a spatula because I'm baking a cake. So yeah, I just remembered I wasn't vlogging, so I had to like come on and vlog. Come I feel like for the past week I feel like I have been neglecting my duty of vlogging. So yes, I'm baking a chocolate cake. This cake is from the cake mix, so yeah, it's nothing too hard. Done in like 15 minutes. Yay. Mr. Chef. Hey guys, we're playing game. So Shan, what's up?
So,
Alright guys, so right now we're gonna have a little chit chat kind of moment. Yeah, we're gonna talk truth. Anyways, so hey guys, so for today's little chit chat, we are going to talk about um all that's been going on, the school system and all of that, and how we're coping, is it working, and all of that. So basically, everybody knows what's been going on in the entire world. Corona come, school lockdown, everything the pass. Good. Now, for our school system here in Jamaica, we have to be going to online school. So basically, everybody and everybody mother doing online school. Now, is this effective? Is it working? Let me tell you. So when we just started online school, what I wanted to do, because me, my phone to me is very personal. I did not want to create groups on WhatsApp and all these things. So I made a website and put content, create links to videos, place worksheets and all of that on it, and I would do like probably games and so on it. Now when I got like one number and I sent that link to her, she was supposed to send it to other persons. It did not work because one, it's they're not used to it, so I guess they did not understand it. I don't know, but the school wanted us to have like attendance and so, and I did not have any way of them of knowing like who visits the website. I tell them to comment, they did not. So long story short, I ended up having to create groups. So now right now we are doing online school through WhatsApp. So bear in mind there is it kind of limits you because you can't do much at this moment. Knowing the type of country we are, it's kind of hard. Not everybody have Wi-Fi. Wanna know that. And if you don't have Wi-Fi, it's harder for you to download videos, download pictures, send pictures. And what I require of my class at the moment is that what I do each day, I send a video, I send notes, and I send work. Now, after I send all of those, they're supposed to do that work, watch the video, write the notes, do the work, send a picture to me, I correct it, send it back to them. So, that is a lot of data to use. A person on a Wi Fi may not see this as a problem, but I'm thinking about the persons that don't have Wi Fi. It's rough. And I am sure many of our students at the school that I teach probably not have Wi Fi. Me know me not wrong. But yeah, so we have to be doing that. And the next thing I think is quite, I don't agree with, is the fact that we have to do registration. Each day I have to register my form class. They have to comment their name to say they're present. If they don't comment or read my messages I send for the day and say good morning, registration time, them absent for the day. Now bear in mind, a lot of students that I have originally about 40 or 30 odd students in my class. Right now in my WhatsApp group, I have less than 20 or probably 20 students. The rest of the students are missing out. Like, how does this benefit those persons? And they're being affected because when ministry now comes and collect the numbers, and so they're out of the numbers. I don't feel them fault. Them not have no phone. Them not have no WhatsApp. I don't feel them fault. Anyways, and it goes for the same thing with like my classes. Like if I have, like, for example, I teach grade 7. My grade 7 class, most of the numbers that are in my grade 7 group have an parents number. Who telling me that another parents that do the work? When I send out the work and I ask them to send it to me individually, if I have 20 students present in that class, mind you, probably about 9 alone send my work out of the entire class. Trust me. But anyways, and I think and then they want us to do assessment. Now how that work? How do I assess a student through WhatsApp knowing that they're not cheating? Them parents, I get it. Them there with them parents. Them have internet and all of these things. And I like, if I had like Schoology or one of those that make you actually, send them the link, them join, and I'm there to see, okay, they are on it and I give them a time limit, then that would be better. But on a WhatsApp, how do I send a test? How? Do I send a test or whatever? Because mostly we use like tests and so on to do like final assessments. Like midterms and so. Alright. But for like an end of year, like for example, when we're supposed to do July exam, how do I do that? Tell me the truth. So I don't know. I don't think it's effective at the moment. For some, yes. For others, no. Because I think the ones that don't have internet at the moment, they are missing out, and we're teaching new topics. When are they going to get these topics for them? As in, when are they going to get these contents? We don't know. School not until September. So is it working? I don't know. So yes, guys. So yeah, that's just what I have to say. I'm just saying, I don't know if it's working per se. I say for some persons it does help because you kind of get to have a little one-on-one with some students that might not have understood, but for the most part it can go on. We just need better internet. I think if we had a better internet system in Jamaica, with all of the areas in Jamaica having internet, having Wi-Fi. I mean, not service, Wi-Fi. I think it would be better because if every household have Wi-Fi, then I could send a link instead of having to screen record a video. I could send the link. I could send them like a game site, math game site. Hello, math avolipa game. I can't be right now. I can't send out those games because why? They can't access them. They don't have Wi-Fi, so we can't do that. So I think if we had better internet, this time would have been great. Because I think online school is really nice. I do enjoy it. Not gonna lie, but we just need better internet. You think it would have work out if we did have better internet? Cause me like technology. I like for the things on technology, so it would be nice to like even have like all one YouTube channel for maths, like do my teaching on it, send them the link, them know say alright you subscribe to it each day, you go on when it's your class time, find the video that I send you to and do it. But we don't have that kind of internet, so we can't be doing that. But yeah, let me know down below if you're a teacher, how is online school going for you, what are some of the things that you're doing. And I would like to know, if you're a teacher, right, how are you going to be doing your assessments? I really would like to know because I want to know what I'm supposed to do. I want some ideas, give me some ideas down below of how to assess my students in math on this online situation, whatever this is. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know the vlog was short, but I hope this little sit down talk session, if you like these, suggest down below what else you guys want me to talk about, and I will do just that, because this suggestion came from one of my subscribers. Now I'm telling no Wimby, but oh well. Thank you for the suggestion. I really liked it. So yes, I hope I did do this discussion, this talking about this justice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next vlog. Guys, please stay safe. Love you all. Bye.